Can you imagine a future where your career possibilities are limitless? Seton Hall University invites you to explore this potential at our graduate open house. Join us on October 1st from 6 to 8 p.m. at Bethany Hall, South Orange campus, and discover over 140 advanced degree and certificate programs. From business to healthcare, law to data science, our diverse programs are designed to enhance your career adaptability in a rapidly changing market. Engage with our distinguished faculty, current students, and alumni to gain valuable insights into the academic and professional benefits of Seton Hall's graduate offerings. Our programs are designed to prepare you for lifelong learning, says Associate Provost Christopher Cuccia. We educate professionals with purpose. Learn about financial aid opportunities, including graduate assistantships and scholarships, making a degree from Seton Hall more affordable than ever. The Career Center will be present to share resources for professional networking, resume development, and interview preparation tailored for graduate students. Current students can explore dozens of dual degree programs, combining undergraduate and graduate coursework to save time and costs while standing out in the job market. Prospective students attending the open house will benefit from an application fee waiver, making it easier to take the next step in their academic journey. Don't miss this chance to shape your future. Register now for the Graduate Open House and unlock your potential with Seton Hall University. Your future starts here. For more information and to register for the event, visit the Graduate Open House registration page. For more details on this and other stories, go to the essex-times.com. And don't forget to subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.